Hello, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about the soldering projects that I've done in the past, the safety precautions you need to take when you're soldering. So this is my soldering box. Like I'll take it places, like if I need to solder something. Now, if you're using a portable soldering iron, I would recommend using it outside if you can, if you like soldering. But if you're in like your shop or like your shop is really big, like in your garage, yeah, you can solder in your garage, but I do not have a mask. But if you do, get a gas and vapor mask because there is lead and other stuff in the vapor that the solder creates. So I just want to show you what I have in my box right here. So I have like I have little like DC electronic components in here, like buttons, some batteries. Actually, there's actually an Allen wrench down here that you use for unscrewing the. It's a really little one, but in here you got your extra spare screws for the soldering iron, resistors. You got you got you got a motor right there. You got humidity sensor, and right here is the soldering iron. Um, I have some soldering tape. No, electrical tape. I have a I have solder board, and I have a wire that I use to power this. But the wire has two leads coming out of it, and I literally just use this drill battery to power it. I believe you can do 18 to 24 volts on here. That's what. Wait, let's see. It says. If I can read it, I don't even know. But it says it right here. It says. What does it say? It says 12 to 24 volt, 17 to 65 watts. So I'm pretty sure you can power it off this. It says 17 to 24, so you should be good if you're running off of a drill battery. Now this is for the portable, so like I can just take this battery off the drill, get this wire right here, put it on the two drill terminals, right? Get my 20 volts. Now you're not going to need to use the neutral on this. Let me explain to you guys what the neutral is on a drill. So say I take this off. Okay, so you're not going to want to use like the middle one, right? You're going to want to use your negative and your positive just on this little wire that you strip down so you can like put in the negative and the positive. If you test it, you can probably see if it's center positive or center negative on the barrel jack. Now this barrel jack fits into the TS100. I think it's a DC 255, something like that. But yeah, don't use like this like ground neutral, whatever it's called. This is the ground and this is the positive you want to use. So now what I want to show you is your tip that would be on it, right? Your soldering tip. Here, you'd power it on, it would heat up. You get a little reading on this display right here. It says the temperature and like the other things they can change on it. You can up the temperature on it, do all kinds of crazy stuff. Now, back here I have some green board. You put like your electronic components in it and stuff like that. Back here I have some PCBs. Let me show you what they are. Okay, you have this first PCB right here, which is a um, three set 7 segment display. They say seven because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 segments in the number 8, and if you had the decimal, it's 8. But yeah, and then we have a switch right here, which you can turn on and off. There's 3 modes right there. Right here we have a USB charging module. Right here we have something I got off of a little quadcopter. Then we have a little LED module, white little thing. Then we have an IR PCB, a little USB power adapter thing. Then we have a little laser. Then we have another USB charging module. We have some LEDs on a PCB board, and we have another PCB board with LEDs on it. So back here we have a rechargeable 9-volt battery. It's literally a USB cord right here with a 9-volt battery. Back here we have a TG 3.2 and a USB drive.